Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing my review on this foundation with you guys. This is from Colourpop. It's their Pretty Fresh foundation. So I shared a Colourpop haul sometime back on my channel where I showed you what all products I got, and this was one of the product, and in that video I told you that I'll share a detailed review about this foundation. I actually did a proper wear test of this foundation, and so on basis of that I'll be sharing my detailed review on this foundation with you guys in today's video. Earlier I was actually planning on including the review on the concealer as well, the Pretty Fresh concealer which I bought, but later I thought I'll share a separate review on that because I wanted to give you all the details about this foundation, and if I'll include both the products, review on both the products, it will be little difficult and the video will be very long. So I thought I'll do a separate video on that. So in today's video I'll be talking about this foundation. So if you are interested, please keep on watching this video. I know many of you will ask what lipstick I'm wearing on my lips. So I'm wearing this lippy sticks from Colourpop in the shade Lumiere. This is what I'm wearing on my lips. Now without any further ado, let's start rolling. This one is Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hydrating Foundation. This Pretty Fresh is a separate range in Colourpop. They have other products as well in this range, like they have primer, concealers and setting sprays as well. But in today's video I'll be talking about only this foundation. So it comes in this kind of outer packaging. So this is how the outer packaging, and you get all the details here, like major ingredients and other things are mentioned on the outer packaging itself. So this foundation retails for $16. So this foundation is not available in India. I got this from US directly from their website. So if you want to know how to purchase from their website and everything, I have shared everything, all the details in the Colourpop haul video, so you can check that video. I'll link that video here and in the description box. So this one retails for $16 and you get 30 ml of product in this. There are 40 shades available in this foundation. The shade range is really wide and it's a very good shade range. They have 42 shades, which is a really good thing, and the shade which I got is medium 80, and they have categorized all the shades based on overtone and undertone. So you'll find 3 different kind of categories for overtones, like light, medium and dark, and for undertones they have mentioned this letter at the end of the shade name, C, N and W. C means cool, N means neutral and W means warm. तो सारे जो शेड्स हैं वो इस तरह से कैटेगराइज्ड हैं, so it becomes little easy for you to find your correct shade in this foundation range. So as I told you, I got the shade medium 80W. Here medium is my overtone and W is the undertone. So I'll mention my other foundation shades in the description box for your reference, तो आप उससे अपने शेड का थोड़ा सा आइडिया लग जाएगा आपको. So this foundation contains hyaluronic acid and coconut water, and this one is dermatologically tested, oil free and vegan, and they say that this foundation will suit all kind of skin tones. So this is how the actual foundation looks like. It comes in this frosted bottle with this white color pump here, and there is a cap on top of it. So because of this pump, it's very convenient to use this foundation. I always prefer this kind of packaging where you get the pump because it becomes very easy, very convenient to use a foundation. This bottle is actually a little heavy. It's not like cheap packaging. The bottle is little heavy, but it's not made of glass, so you can easily travel with this. It's travel friendly. As the name suggests, this is a hydrating foundation, and they also claim that this will suit all kind of skin types because it's not a matte foundation or illuminating foundation. It's in between. It gives you a natural finish, a skin like finish. That's why any kind of skin type can use this foundation. The consistency of this foundation is not very thick, obviously because it's not a matte foundation. Generally जो matte foundations होते हैं, जो fully matte foundations होते हैं, उनकी जो consistency रहती है वो काफ़ी thick रहती है. तो इसकी consistency बहुत ज़्यादा thick नहीं है and बहुत ज़्यादा watery भी नहीं है. It's somewhere in between, like it has this runny consistency but बहुत ज़्यादा watery consistency नहीं है. I did a proper demo and wear test for this foundation. So let's first see the demo and then I'll talk more about this. I'm taking the foundation on back of my hand. I'll take one full pump first. So I took this much, and as you can see, the consistency of this foundation is not very thick. It's kind of runny, like not watery, but it is runny consistency. Now I'll apply this foundation with a beauty blender on this side of my face, and I'll blend with a brush on other side. So I'll apply directly So first I'm applying using the beauty blender. So this foundation is very easy to apply and बहुत ही easily blend हो जा रहा है, but the coverage you get is not too much. As you can see, you can still see these marks I have peeking through. So the pigmentation is not much. It's like sheer to medium coverage, but we will try to build it up. So I'm taking some more. By the way, this shade is a little light for me, but it's fine. Like on the camera it is looking more light, but in person it doesn't look that light. It is actually fine. This is how it look after 2 layers, and I can see that it is still looking very fresh, not like cakey or anything. It is looking very skin like. By the way, I'm still on my first pump only. Now I'll take this foundation on this brush, and this side I'll apply using the brush. I generally, don't apply foundation with a brush, but just for the sake of this video, just to know that how the coverage looks like with a brush. Okay, so it's easy to apply and easy to blend with a brush as well. बहुत ही easily blend हो गया है. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा effort नहीं करना पड़ा, बहुत ही easily blend हो गया है. And I think it is giving better coverage with a brush, and this is only the first layer. Anyway, you get a better coverage when you apply foundation with a brush. बिकॉज जो ब्यूटी स्पॉन्ज होता है ना, वो आपके प्रोडक्ट को थोड़ा एब्जॉर्ब कर लेता है. This is how it looks with the brush, and I feel I don't need more coverage on this side, but still just to balance it. Whatever is left on my hand, I'm just applying it. So this is how it looks finally. So as you saw in the demo, I applied this foundation using a beauty sponge on one side of my face and using a brush on the other side. Now it was easy to blend this foundation with both beauty sponge and brush, but I felt कि जो finish है ना, वो आपको brush के साथ better मिलती है इस foundation के. I generally prefer sponges with foundation. I generally apply foundation using sponge only because मुझे sponge की finish better लगती है हमेशा, but दिस पर्टिकुलर फाउंडेशन आई फेल्ट कि जो ब्रश है उससे ज़्यादा अच्छी फिनिश मिल रही थी, एंड द कवरेज ऑल्सो वॉज बेटर विद ब्रश. लाइक विथ ब्यूटी स्पॉन्ज आई गॉट light to medium coverage, but with brush I got a proper medium coverage. Anyway, this is not a full coverage foundation, so you can't expect a full high coverage with this foundation, but it has a medium to high coverage, and I could see कि beauty sponge अगर आप यूज़ करेंगे तो आपको एक light to medium coverage मिलेगी, but with a brush you'll get good coverage, better coverage than the sponge. And I tried to build up this foundation as well. I applied 2 layers of this foundation, and with that as well I could see that it was not kicking up and the finish was still good. It provides a very nice skin like and natural finish. Also, I didn't take a lot of product. I took one full pump and little bit more of this foundation, and I could cover my whole face. The coverage was really good, especially when you use the brush to blend this foundation. So when I first applied this foundation, the shade which I got, I thought it's little light for me, but it settled after some time and I felt कि ये जो foundation है वो थोड़ा सा oxidize भी होता है. बहुत ज़्यादा oxidize नहीं होता है, it oxidize a little bit, and actually ऑक्सीडाइज होने के बाद ये प्रॉपरली सेट हो गया था फेस पे. एकदम सेटल होने के बाद द शेड वॉज एक्चुअली लुकिंग गुड. इट वॉज नॉट लुकिंग लाइट एट ऑल. इट वॉज एक्चुअली मैचिंग मी very nicely. This foundation is actually hydrating foundation and it looks very fresh on the skin. It is not at all heavy, it's very lightweight. You won't even feel like you're wearing something. It's a very lightweight foundation. It provides a very nice natural and skin like finish, and इसकी coverage के साथ भी आप play कर सकते हैं. Like if you want less coverage you can use a sponge, and if you want more coverage you can use a brush. Also, it was very easy to apply other products on top of this foundation. This foundation didn't move. I wore a full face of makeup on this foundation and everything applied very nicely, very easily, and this foundation didn't move at all. So I wore this foundation for 8+ hours. I'll insert the clips of me wearing this foundation in the interval of 2 hours or something. So at the end of the day this foundation was still looking very nice. Not as good as it was looking the first time I applied, like उतना अच्छा नहीं दिख रहा था, but still it was looking really good. And I didn't get a lot of oil on my face. I'm actually not a oily skin type. I have a combination skin and my T-zone gets little bit oily, but with this foundation my face was not looking too oily at the end of the day. It was looking a little bit dewy, but it was not looking oily at all, and I didn't touch up my face. मैंने बिल्कुल भी कोई powder apply नहीं किया और I didn't blot my face at all, but 8 hours तक wear करने के बाद भी it was looking still nice. And at the end of the day this foundation was still there on my face. It didn't move at all, it didn't separate or anything. This one creased in my smile lines a little bit, but that's fine I guess, because that happens with me with all the foundations, so that is my personal problem. That is not the problem with this foundation. And otherwise it was looking overall it was looking very good. So overall I would say it's a really good foundation if you're looking for a natural skin like finish. It's not too matte, not too dewy, it's in between, and it will give you a very hydrating fresh look. So this foundation is really good, and it's not that affordable, like not as affordable as other products from Colourpop, but still it's a good deal, and I got this one on discount. So you can also look for discount if you want to try this foundation, and whenever there is a sale that time you can purchase this foundation, and उस time ये आपको काफ़ी affordable रहेगा. So yeah, that's all I wanted to talk about this foundation. I hope you liked this review and it was helpful for you. If you did, please like and share this video. Also, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you will be notified for my future uploads. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.